ABB Hickory, North Carolina, hardwired to the USA and ready to meet customer needs. Welcome to Hickory, North Carolina, home of ABB's high-tech fuses, current limiting fuses that offer maximum reliability for system and equipment protection. The Hickory facility was established almost 40 years ago, and our products produced at this facility help protect the world with fire mitigation. Our expert team designs and manufactures fuses that help ensure the protection of the power grid. The production of these fuses in the U.S. demonstrates ABB's relentless commitment to supporting the reliable and resilient delivery of electricity for millions of residential, business, and industrial users, as well as supporting the growth of the U.S. economy. Our products are smart grid ready and are used by utilities nationwide to help protect the connective tissue of the electric grid. ABB's high-tech fuses is an industry-leading brand of current limiting fuses with advanced designs to provide maximum protection. Without overcurrent protection, system faults or short-circuit events can damage high-cost equipment like transformers, along with causing unwanted outages and grid overload. Testing is vital to help ensure a better quality product. We test the assemblies at different stages throughout the manufacturing process to maintain strict quality control. High-tech fuses, durable design, compact size, low current let-through, and 100% factory testing maximizes protection for personal and equipment safety. In a town of just over 42,000 people, we know the impact ABB's high-tech manufacturing plant has on the local economy of Hickory. We also know the utility industry depends on the safety, reliability, and service that comes with our fuses. ABB Hickory, hardwired to the USA and ready to meet customer needs.